What is going on, guys? My name is Mario, and on this video I'm going to tell you why I'm still using the Sony a5000 in 2018. I got it last year and I've been recording pretty much every single video in my channel and it has not let me down. So let's go check it out. One of the main reasons I haven't upgraded to another camera is because I'm still getting a very good video quality. I know sometimes when I shoot on low light scenarios, I don't get the crisp, bright quality that I should get. But as long as I make sure that I'm recording on an area where I have a lot of light, the videos are gonna come very well. I mean, you can go check out the other videos that I have on my channel and you're gonna see that the quality is not so bad. And for me, it's still not a good reason enough to upgrade to another camera where I'm gonna have to spend another $400 or $500. And just a quick reminder, guys, before you click away from this video, make sure you watch until the end of this video because I'm gonna cover two important things that everybody needs to know that may be a deal breaker for you. As an entry-level mirrorless camera, this is gonna be very well for you in 2018. It's gonna give you all the settings which are gonna be automatic. You don't have to worry about messing with the settings to get a good video quality. But as you start getting more advanced and you start messing with the settings, it's gonna have some predefined settings which you can use. And when you become an expert or you feel pretty comfortable, you can have full capability of all the manual settings, which is what I love about this camera. Another thing that I really like about this camera is that it's very compact. The compact design is gonna allow you to basically take it with you anywhere you go. Even if you remove the lens, you can pretty much fit that camera in your pocket. It is very portable compared to some of the other DSLR or mirrorless cameras that they're pretty bulky and you have to usually have a larger bag. Also, when it comes to the microphone quality, this camera is gonna have a dual stereo microphone, which is gonna give you better sound quality. But I don't always use it to shoot all my videos. I usually use a lavalier mic where I capture most of the sound because usually if you're in a room, it's gonna have some echo. But definitely if you're using this camera just to blog or if you wanna use the microphone as a backup, it's gonna do the job. I had a couple of videos where I shot probably about 30 minutes worth of video and the lavalier mic didn't work. But I was able to use the microphone and the camera because it still captured a pretty decent sound quality. And I'll give you an example. As of right now, I'm actually using the microphone and the camera, and it's not gonna be the best compared to the lavalier mic or some of the other microphones, but it's still gonna have a pretty decent sound quality. And when it comes to blogging, this camera was pretty much one of the go-to cameras for a lot of the YouTubers and a lot of people that were doing blogs in the past. And even right now, a lot of people are still looking into getting this camera to do blogging. One thing I like is that it does have the flip LCD screen where I can see myself when I'm shooting the A-roll, even when I'm just standing here, or if I'm walking around, that's a must-have for a camera. And as I already mentioned, the built-in microphones are gonna do pretty decent quality. So another great thing about this camera, since it's a couple of years old, is that you're gonna be able to pick up a couple of accessories for a great price. For example, I was able to pick up a manual lens with a pretty high aperture for about $90. When it comes to batteries, I was able to pick up a pair of batteries for about $20, $25 that came with an actual charger. I mean, they work very well. I'm able to use them to shoot my videos and they came at a great price. If you have a Sony a5000 and you have bought some other gadgets that you think we should all check out, make sure to let us know in the comment section below. One of my favorite things about the camera is that it's still gonna have Wi-Fi capabilities. So using the remote control through my phone, I'm able to get a live stream of what the camera is looking at a time. I'm not able to record directly from the phone, but I can actually take pictures and actually change the settings from the phone without having to go back to the camera. Now, there's two very important factors about this camera that may be a deal breaker for you, so pay attention. Number one, this camera is gonna overheat. So if you're recording for over 20 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on the outside or the room temperature, you may not be able to record more than 10 minutes at a time. For me, for example, it's really not a problem. I'm usually shooting just 5 to 10 minute interval videos. So I don't really use it for vlogging. And I really haven't had a lot of people complain about it, that it's just becoming an issue. But this is something that you gotta keep in mind, that this camera does tend to overheat, but really it's not like it's a real deal breaker for me. Also, number two, this camera is not gonna have a built-in microphone input. So if you're thinking about using an external microphone, which you wanna connect directly to the camera, you're not gonna be able to do that. Again, it's still gonna have a pretty decent microphone quality, but if you really need to have that external microphone connected to the camera, you're not gonna be able to do that with this camera. So if you guys own the Sony a5000 or are thinking about getting one, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I plan on having a couple of more videos out there. Also, let me know if there's something specifically that you wanna see. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.